Hello and welcome to my free course, Weka for Data Mining and Machine Learning for Beginners. The aim of this course is to give you an idea about machine learning and data mining using a simple and intuitive tool like Weka, which might help you to make a decision for your future career. If you know nothing about machine learning, data mining, or Weka, then don't worry, because this course is designed specially for beginners like you. I personally believe in learning by doing, and this is what you will be doing: learning by conducting practical experiments through the straightforward and uncomplicated sections and lectures. This course has three main sections: Introduction to Weka, Practical Use of Data Mining with Weka, and Practical Use of Machine Learning with Weka. Let's take each section in turn. In section 1, you will be able to download and install Weka, that's for sure. And also you will be familiar with Weka's file formats, how to get file in and out of Weka, what is preprocess and a classifier, how to install additional classifiers using Weka's package manager, and how to download more datasets if you need to. This section has 2 quizzes and 1 assignment. In section 2, Practical Use of Data Mining with Weka, you will be familiar with the term data mining, and you will be preparing your data and choosing a classifier in order to build a model, and you will deploy this model. All that done in a practical experiment. This section has 1 assignment plus a mini challenge. In section 3, Practical Use of Machine Learning with Weka, you will be familiar with the definition of machine learning. You will be measuring classifiers' performance with test datasets, and you will be tuning and experimenting with different algorithms in order to decide which one is performing better. This section has 1 quiz. I hope you're going to enjoy this course. Thank you very much. I'm Shadi Uida, the course creator.